grep. So that is once we completed, then major part. This ch mode I will tell later. Okay, so I don't miss it. Okay, so grep. Grep is a global regular expression printer to search for a specified text and display lines, so containing in a text. Okay, so what it is doing, it is grep will display the lines based on the pattern matches. First of all, for this one, I will create a one file, but usually I use different file kind of stuff. So I use that kind of stuff. Okay, so we'll see here it is cat greater g file one. Okay, so I'm creating a file for this exercise. Okay, so first of all I'm creating, so this is g file one file. Okay, so look at here, we will go to this like a starting Savantis is vendor for CTS and HCl. Oh, okay. We are in a grep mode, right? So that's sorry. So we are in this mode, right? CTS and HCl. Okay. In Hyderabad, usually I use Pune for this one. In Hyderabad, Savantis in is near to high-tech city. Not really, but okay, it's easy to type. High-tech city. First one, middle one. I need a last one. I need a system. I am practice. I'm practicing grep CMD now. Okay, next. Okay. Linux basics classes in Savantis. Okay, so one is first, one is another one is in middle, another one is last. Okay, middle. Okay, afternoon Linux admin may start. Control D. So this is the file is created. Okay, guys. Okay. So first one is cat g file one is my output. So this is a very important command, guys. Very important command. Okay. This is the command. Okay. Next, grep. I want to see the cat command showing all the lines. I want to see only lines having a Savantis. Okay, there is a 3 lines having a Savantis. Other lines don't have Savantis in there. So look at here, Savantis in the G file one. So where are the Savantis? It is displaying on the screen. But there is a small mistake while displaying the lines. I said 3 lines having a Savantis, but it is displaying only 2 lines. Anybody tell why? It is look at Savantis.
One
Here.
Savantis is in
Starting, sir.
S
Hmm.
is capital.
Yes, very good. Case sensitive. What it is? Case sensitive. Very good. Okay. If in case Linux is case sensitive, then obviously you will get like this. So what I'm doing is -I ignore the case sensitive. -I ignore the case sensitive. Look at here. Now all three lines are displaying. All three lines are displaying automatically. Now next one is I put a dollar after the keyword. After the keyword, I put a dollar. After the keyword, I put a dollar. It is displaying one line and where the Savantis is there. Savantis is the word is in end of the line. End of the line. End of the line. Start of the line. If the keyword is at start of the line, display those lines only. Display those lines only. Dollar means if the keyword is end of the line, display those lines. If a keyword is the start of the line, display those lines only. What it is displaying? It is displaying three lines. What it is displaying? In the three lines, can you see any Savantis in it?
No.
Also means -V is it display the lines if pattern not matches. If keyword is not there in that lines, display those lines. Display all the lines if keyword is not in that line, or any way you can able to tell it is. Pattern not matches, unmatched lines. Pattern unmatched lines. Pattern unmatched lines. That is V. N. Display the lines with a line number. In a second line, I have a 70s. Third line, I have a 70s. Fifth line, having a 70s. So 1, 4, 6 kind of stuff, not having a 70s. I have a three line. In the three lines, I have a 70s. With a line number, it is showing. With a line number, it is showing. How many number of lines having a 70s? How many number of lines having a 70s keyword? 3. Okay, so this is your grep. This is your grep. Okay, how many people are not understand? So I ask normally like guys, do you understand or not? But this time I ask you like this. How many people are not understanding? What is a grep? So global regular expression printer. Okay, so what it will do, if keyword or a pattern matches. Check the keyword matches with the lines. Matches with lines. A the lines. Okay, your pattern matches or keyword matches with the line, display the lines. So that is your grep. So first of all, I created a file and make sure everything is there. Now can you see it displaying two lines which is having a grep. Now I represent ignore case sensitive. Okay, so it display lines having Savantis. This is also same thing. It is also display lines having Savantis, but ignore case sensitive. Okay. Now so these are the thing. Anybody having doubts also please tell me. Not understand. Display lines if Savantis is now blocking only. Savantis is end of the line. Display the lines. Savantis end of the line. So this is a very important one. Most frequently asked one of the important question. If the line display the lines if Savantis means it's a keyword. So you have to use the name is like if keyword is start of the line. Start of the line is in a cap letter, but it is displaying why because of ignore the case sensitive. Now display the lines if Savantis means the keyword is not in the lines. Display the lines. If Savantis is not in the lines, then display those lines only. Pattern not matched, lines only. Display the lines with the line numbers. Keyword matches. You can use keyword because if you by heart like that, thing. Okay, so keyword. Yeah, you guys are also not telling anything. Asked almost 3 times. No problem. Just I'm feeling my mind is spinning. The keyword is Savantis. Remember the keyword is Savantis here. So display the if keyword matches. This is simply number of lines matches with the keyword. Again, this. Okay, so here it is. Because of you people are not telling anything. This is, I will change that one anyway. So guys, cat g file 1. This time I want to display where the Linux is there. Tell me the command. I want the lines where the Linux is available.
grep
Grep
Linux G file.
G file. Very good. It displaying only one line, but Linux is in 2 lines.
I minus I
You have to
indicate
give, ignore the case sensitive. Very
I
good.
hyphen I.
2. Okay. Now
Yes.
I want to get display if Linux is start of the line.
Up arrows.
Like cap. Okay. So shift 6. Shift 6. Okay. If Linux is start of the line. If Linux is end of the line.
Dollar.
Because
Nothing is
we
there.
don't have anything end of the line kind of stuff. So that's okay. No problem. Very good. Next. What will happen here if I put a hyphen V? If pattern not matches, means if
Unmatched.
this is the lines where the Linux is not there. Look at here in output. Can you see any Linux
No.
keyword is there? No, right? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Hyphen I, hyphen N. So what is
Numbers,
this?
numbers display, sir.
Very
It will
good.
display 1 to 3.
It display
Number.
with
Numeric.
with the line numbers.
Line number.
So which line having this one? First line or 10th line or 14th line or maybe 50 line. Okay, like that line number. How many number of lines having a Linux in it? Okay, very good. Yeah, you understand this one is good. That because it's not that very simple also. Okay. Some guys require at least 3-4 times explanation also, but you at least some people are understanding. In your group, you people also help others, right? Okay, guys, don't feel shy. If you don't understand, you can ask me or you can discuss. So, because it's a most frequent question, compulsory question kind of stuff. So this is the grep. That's it. So what is this kind of stuff? Okay. That's it. Okay, so in afternoon I will tell about IO redirection, because IO redirection will take a lot of time. Process management and user management also I will tell. So class is at 3 o'clock. That's it. Okay, you can leave, have a lunch. And